welcome back for this unboxing part 2, and if you have not seen part 1, I will link it up above and below in the description box. Today we will continue with unboxing of my second bag offer, which I received just day after I scored this cutesy baby. Yes, still cannot believe it, but of course big thanks to my amazing SA. For those who are new, hi, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel, and I love to invite you to come back for more content like this. And consider subscribe so you can get the latest upload. Thank you all very much for your support. After I got this bag offer, I was thrilled because I got what I was looking for, and of course not expecting anything else. But at the end of my appointment, my SA said I will continue to try for the other bag and it will be in this color. I was like, oh wow, more? Was a bit surprised, but at the same time, love the idea of getting the second bag. I assure my SA that I'm very content with this bag and no pressure if my SA cannot get me the other one. Went home happily. 3 days later, I got a text from my SA and it said, great news. I came in and my SA presented this and said, right timing. I was speechless for a minute or two, trying to process and reflect how did I got to be so lucky. Yes, that was my honest thought at that moment. My SA also reserved this one, so we'll unbox in a bit. But for now, let's review what I was offered because I'm very much looking forward to show it to you so I can start using it. You're sure it comes with the pillow tissue and care information booklet. Ready for my newest addition? Ta-da! My very first Burgund. And if you have seen some of my video, you know that I'm a big fan of Kelly. So this is something very new to me. However, I'm open to experience something different. For me, you have to try it or you have to experience it to know if it's right for you or not. So this one is in Togo leather with gold hardware and in retorn or rattan style, and the size is 25. And in the color of Alizant. So closer look. Alizant is not a brand new color. It was introduced back in 2009 and it must have been a great color, so Hermes relaunched it back in 2021 and this season again. So it does have some veining, but I'm totally fine with that because it's just part of the natural grain of the leather. And yeah, let me know what you think about this color. Love to hear your thought in the comment section below. So before I open up to take a quick look inside. So Birkin has 2 top handles. And yes, I kind of understand when people complaining about how small it is for your hand to slide through. Though I think with Birkin, it meant to carry this way. So this is how I'm probably gonna wear it. And oh, the top handle. So Birkin has 2 top handles. So the front top handle is shorter than the back top handle. So if I put it this angle, you can see the back top handle kind of peeping up just a bit. And with this angle, you can see this one is taller than the top of the front top handle. The emboss stamp right there. So yeah, I don't think I would wear with the flat clothes because it's a bit too much to get in and out. So inside, the Hermes stamp making font there. Inside, one main compartment, front slip pocket, and a back zip pocket right there. This one comes with the clochette. So anytime when a bag comes with the clochette, I always making sure the number on the lock match with the number on the key. And I haven't taken off the sticker yet, probably another time. And for me, I'm probably gonna wear it this way. Let's see. Yes, this is how I would carry a Birkin. Oh yeah, now it's the right timing to unbox this. So, my very first baguette, and it's in the small size, in the color of chocolate and crepe, and in lambskin leather. I'm not too crazy about backdrops, even though they're all so trendy nowadays. Yeah, my essay and me had a great talk. We laugh about a great laugh with all the backdrop, you know, the Labubu and all that backdrop lately. When my essay put this on this bag, it looks so dang cute together. So I'm guessing there is a first for everything. Oh yeah, the 4 feet and the bottom. So you might not know it, but this is my Birkin date. Well, let me explain a little bit more. What does that mean by that? And it's going to be a bit off with the topic on this channel, though I'm just gonna open up and share a bit with you guys. I'm taking the word Birkin date to the next level. Ooh. Well, I consider this as my Birkin date for my upcoming colonoscopy procedure. So many warn that the preparation for the colonoscopy procedure is not a pleasant thing to go through, and I can say this might be the second biggest procedure that I have to go through in life so far, besides giving birth. And I am super nervous about it. Well, I don't like been pushing it off. I don't like the smell of the hospital. Yeah. After years of taking care of my brother, so I lost my brother and my mom to cancer. So, yeah, for my health, I'm pushing myself with this procedure, and also for my daughter as well. You know, I'm a mom now, so I think that's important part or important step to take care of. Yes, my reward for my colonoscopy procedure. Now back to a mess topic. A bit more story time and sharing my humble opinion and tips here. Remember, I asked you guys to help me to pick a bag to add to my collections, either a mini bullies or my first Birkin. I went ahead and gave those two choices to my essay, very specific for a mini bullies in new rose darling color. But for the burgundy, I do want it in a size 25, though I just let my essay know that I just want a neutral color, and never expected that my gray essay gonna get both for me. Yay! Amazing, amazing. As for pre-spend ratio, because I'm pretty sure you guys gonna wonder, not including this non-quota bag, if it's 1 to a little bit more than 1 to 1 for this one. And my tip here is when requesting for your wish list or wish bag, give your essay 2 to 3 choices to work around. By giving those choices will increase your right timing for your offer, because from my perspective, bag come into the boutique almost daily, yeah. And if you limit your essay to only 1 choice, then you sort of lower your chance there. Also, from my experience and my understanding, that taking a non-quota bag will not reduce your chance of getting a quota bag offer. So twice in the last 2 years, I was able to score a non-quota bag together with a quota bag. Yes, I will link the other video in the description box below. Another important point I want to share here is when building that relationship with your essay, don't pressure, demand your essay for bag. Doing that will not strengthen your relationship with your essay, but the opposite. I think almost every time when I got to see my essay seemed not to be in the good mood when client aggressively demand for that. So this is how I see it, and see if you guys can agree with me on this. So all essay know what we are interested in the end, bag, right? So I'm not saying don't ask for bag, but be mindful when you're asking for it. Know your sort of keep track and know your pre-spend, and pay attention to your essay and his or her guidance, because they know what it takes to get the approval from the manager for your offer. Also, be patient. They will get to your wish list, though you have to understand it might take a bit more time for one essay than another, depending on the location and other factors like what are you requesting for and how firm are you with your spec, things like that. Though when it's the right timing, your SA tend to remember the client that is more pleasant to work with than the other one. Yes. Alright, I think I'm gonna close out this video here. Hope this one is helpful to you in some way, and we'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye for now. But before I say goodbye, look how cute. Lydia is also go together very well together with this cutesy as well. Okay, bye bye for now.